In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subdomain in Hostinger in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to create a subdomain for a blog, store, or any other purpose, this tutorial will guide you through each step, ensuring you set it up correctly and efficiently. Let's begin by heading over to Hostinger. Open your preferred web browser and type in Hostinger, or simply click on your bookmark if you have the site saved. Once you're on the Hostinger homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen and locate the login button. Click on it to access your account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, but for this demonstration we'll assume you're all set with your login credentials. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Hostinger control panel known as the H panel. Here, your first goal is to land on the main dashboard, often labelled as Home. This area provides you with an overview of your hosting services and offers a jumping off point for the next steps. From the Home dashboard, the next move is to click on the Hosting tab. This section holds all the hosting accounts associated with your profile. Now scroll through until you locate the specific domain where you want your new subdomain to live. Once found, click on the Manage button next to that domain. This will guide you into a more detailed management area. Within this management view, locate the Domains section. Clicking here opens up various domain-related options, where managing subdomains is a feature conveniently accessible. As you scan your options, you'll find a Subdomains button. Clicking on it will transport you to the subdomain management area. Now the exciting part, let's create that subdomain. Look for the Create a New Subdomain button and give it a click. You'll be prompted to enter your desired subdomain name. Think carefully about what best suits your purpose, as this is how people will navigate to this section of your website. For instance, if it's a blog, you may simply want to call it blog. Once you've decided on a name, type it into the provided field and go ahead and confirm the creation. Hostinger will take a few moments to configure everything on the back end, and that's it. You now have a functioning subdomain associated with your primary domain. I hope this tutorial was clear and helpful. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully created a new subdomain on Hostinger to support your online endeavors. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.